Ball. C. Cup. I'm shading the cup by using paint. Cup. D. D for duck. Now let's paint the duck by using yellow color. Yay, yellow. Paint duck. E. Egg. Now paint the egg by using white color. Yay, white egg. F. Fish. Now paint the fish by using red color. Yay, red. Fish. Fish. G. Grass. What is the color of grass? Green. Yes, right. Green. Paint it green. G. H. H. Hen. Now paint hen. Yellow hen. Which color is this? Yellow. Yes, yellow hen. Hen. I. Ink pot. Now paint the ink pot with red. Ink pot. J. Jug. Now paint jug with red. Yes, red jug. 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 K. Kite. Now paint the kite. Orange kite. Which color is this? Orange kite. Kite. Lamp. Kids, paint the lamp. Lamp, red lamp with blue head. Lamp. M. Mug. Nest. Kids, do you know what is the color of nest? Yes, brown. Brown nest. N nest. N nest. O O O O O O O O orange. O orange. O orange. What is the color of orange? Do you guys know? Yes, orange. Cheers to you guys. It's orange. Orange color. O or P. P P P P P P. P parrot. P parrot. P parrot. Do you guys have any guess? What is the color of parrot? Do you know? Let's think. Yay, you're right. It's parrot green. Parrot green. P parrot. P parrot. P parrot. With Q Q Q Q Q Q Q. Q quilt. Q quilt. Q quilt. Now kids, let's paint the quilt by blue color. Q quilt. Q quilt. R R R ring. R ring. R ring. Kids, let's paint the ring by blue color. R ring. S S sun. S sun. S sun. Kids, you know what's the color of sun? Any guess? Yes, yellow. Yellow sun. S sun. S T T T T T T T tub. T tub. T tub. Blue tub. T tub. T tub. U U umbrella. U umbrella. U umbrella. Now let's paint the umbrella by different colors. Yellow. Red. U umbrella. V vase. V vase. Painted blue. Vase. V vase. W W wall. W wall. W wall. Now paint the wall by brown color. W wall. W wall. X X X-ray. X X-ray. Painted X-ray. X X-ray. Y Y York. Y York. Y York. Painted yellow. Yellow York. Y York. Y York. Z Z zero. Z zero. Z zero. Now paint the zero by red color. Great job, kids!